Okay, we'd like to explore data on Japan, following up on the article that we posted that tells us that there's some concerning uh, effects happening in the growth in Japan. So let's go see how the spread is actually going right now. So let's go over here. There we go. And we see that currently on April 3rd, we have a daily growth rate of 8.61. Typically, we'd like to be well below 4% to have this under control. And Japan's moving out of that area. So that's a bit of concern. So let's go use the new timeline feature that we've put in here and scroll back to where we had the minimum. Now I've looked at the data already and already know that it's on March 21st. So let's use that to go over to March 21st. Let's see what the data looks like here. And this was the lowest point that we saw. We saw that on March 21st, the daily growth rate was 3.85%, which is fairly low. It's getting closer to China and South Korea, which is where we'd want to be. But something has changed. So to get a sense of what has changed, we're going to go and animate this and see what happens here. So let's play this from here. So we see that what's happening is Japan is drifting further and further to the right. So that's higher daily percentage growth rates. And that's something we would like to avoid. Okay, so that's what actually happened there. What that means to us is that Japan needs to be implementing further constraints to be able to control the growth and keep from exploding the way other countries have in terms of number of cases being reported.